Hey guys, I have something very exciting. We have a bubblegum making kit. And so there are 19 plus flavors, and it says make delicious gum creations. You could even make sour bubblegum, but we're not going to be making sour bubblegum today. And on the back, it's in Spanish. Actually, making bubblegum is actually science, as you can see.
When you open the book, it has molecules on it.
Up here, it's actually science, guys. Making bubblegum is science.
Although it doesn't seem like it is.
So we're going to be making some bubblegum, and here are some different flavors. There's super sour raspberry, polar bear mint, which I think is like the minty bubblegum, cool candy kiss, and grape punch. Jordan wants sour raspberry, but he's not gonna make, he wants polar bear mint, and me and Jedi want grape punch. So let's get started. So I'm gonna take everything out. I think these are the flavorings, corn syrup, and some powdered sugar, confect sugar. And then these are the bubblegum bases. They're like little pebbles.
It sounds funny how you say pebbles.
Yeah, so pebbles. And then
I'll be passing out the little plates and the stick and the little thingy.
So it says number 1, gather all the ingredients you
Jordan,
need.
this is yours.
For the flavor recipe you want to mix, put down a paper plate or a sheet of wax paper to mix on. So I guess that'll be the plate we have right here. It says put 1 tablespoon of gum base into a clean disposable cup that you could put into a microwave oven. Plastic or wax paper cups are best. This is 1 tablespoon of the gum base in our Petri dishes. You could put it in something else rather than a Petri dish. We just put it in because that's what we have and it's science, so why not? And then it says, now we're going to soften the gum base. Add a little water to the cup, just enough to cover the gum base. Heat it in a microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. Remove the cup and pour out the water. Try stirring it with a spoon or a stirring stick, which is this. And the gum base should be thick, but you should also be able to stir it without too much resistance. If it's still too hard, add water again and heat it for another 10 seconds. Then pour out the water before doing the next step. So we're gonna open this pack. I think these are the flavors. And so this, I think, is confectionate sugar. This says grape flavor, which is the grape punch. I'm guessing raspberry flavor, watermelon flavor. There's mint flavor, which is the one Jordan wants. There's blueberry flavor, citric acid.
We have some oil. I
think
oil.
it's corn syrup.
Corn syrup.
So let's get started. So we're gonna put some water in it and microwave it, and we'll show you guys what the finished product is when we're done. So we heated it up and we poured out the water. Now we're gonna see if we can mix it.
Squish it too. I can mix it, Mommy. Definitely. Okay, so I'm mixing it.
So am I.
And it's actually working. I'm poking it too. That's how it became flat.
We had to warm it up some more because it got hard and cold. And so mine is actually really coming together very well.
Yeah. I'm squishing it together. So it does
squish and voila.
But watch this. Watch this.
This is look at my thing. Now we're gonna add some corn syrup in, and this is almost like slime.
Yeah.
So let's add in the corn syrup. It says a tablespoon. So
Spoon.
I'll tell you when to stop. You don't
I think
add too
that's
much.
good
That's
enough.
good. Don't add too much.
So what?
it's thick, so it's kind of hard to take out.
That's good. You don't add too much because it's syrup.
Yeah, it'll be super sticky.
That's it.
Okay, so
Then it says that stir it until it's blended. You want your hands to get sticky? I don't care. It's almost like slime. It's literally almost like slime because of the corn syrup. Now it's like sticky. Corn syrup is like glue. Okay, it says if your recipe calls for food coloring, then add it in a cup now. Make sure it's like, well, we're not gonna be using food coloring because some people are allergic to food coloring in households, so we're not gonna be doing that. So skip to step 6. It says add all the other ingredients for your flavor recipe in the amount listed. Stir it all together until well blended. The mixture will be thick, so take your time with stirring. Now one by one we're going to be adding the flavor. Jordan has raspberry and he needs a tablespoon. So go ahead.
That's it?
No, that's not it. That's not a tablespoon. That's good.
Is that all?
That's good. And sounds good. Okay, so now ours, we already did the 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, the grape flavor, gum base, and now citric acid.
Not too little.
Okay, so now we have to add confectionate sugar, and it's, let's see, 2 tablespoons for me and Janaya, and 2 tablespoons for Jordan. So let's see. Just gonna add in 2 tablespoons.
Oh.
Not exactly, we're just approximating. Now, Janaya. Jordan. And while he's doing it, me and Janaya are gonna mix our stuff all together. We're all gonna mix. Okay, so we're almost done with our stuff. And now I'm just gonna be adding confectionate sugar on the outside so it's not like, yeah.
Sour. Like a lot of sour.
Because we added citric acid.
Citric acid.
So this is the finished product of the gum. I think Jordan's is going to be super sour because he added too much citric acid, which is like an acid that's in sour candies and all those things. So like people who do the sour challenge, it's mostly sour because of acids. One of them is citric acid, and he added way too much. Here's the moment of truth. I'm going to be biting off a piece.
too much
This is
citric
really
acid,
good.
Jordan?
Tastes disgusting.
You put too much citric acid?
Tastes disgusting. Tastes like.
Can I try yours?
No, it tastes kind of like
Try yours.
sour raspberry, but then after I taste the gum base. It's really good. Let me try yours. This has a lot of it. Some of it's so good.
Can
It's
I try
sour.
yours? Sour.
So really
Sour.
good. Really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yours
This is amazing.
So good. Look, can I make a bubble? You can make bubble. There's a recipe for monster bubblegum. We might do that next video. It's big. It's really good.
And good. This is not a fail. You can try this out if you like the cake.
So our thoughts on this experiment was this was
Awesome.
There's a monster slime recipe.
So there's a monster gum recipe, and we're going
Next
to
time we're going to be trying that. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like this video. Look, can I make a bubble? Look, can I make a bubble?